plastic footings. The beams are 4x4, pressure treated with plywood for a top base. The shed is made out of metal with about 1 million tiny screws. Metal roof. Not exactly the most stable item, but it's going to be good enough for some outside things that we can store, that we don't have to keep dragging into our basement. Getting back some valuable basement space. Peek here. There we go. High security here. We put a stick in there to kind of maintain it. Slopes off to the driveway. Doesn't exactly match our fence, but it's pretty decent looking. I think it was about $136. It's not so bad. And strangely enough, these plastic footings, I had them around for about 3 years, ever since we planned on the solar panel already.